In this video, I will guide you on how to lock photos on any Android phone. The first thing you want to do is launch open Google Photos app on your device. Now, make sure to log into your account and from here go ahead and select the photo that you want to lock. For example, this one. Now, you have this option of add to at the bottom of your screen. Tap on that. Here you have the option of album or locked folder. Go ahead and select locked folder. Now go ahead and tap on the continue option. Now tap on the move option. As you can see, this photo has now been moved to the locked folder. Now to view the locked photo, you want to tap on the collections option. At the bottom, you have different options here. Tap on the one that says locked. Now you will have to use your PIN or biometric. Here, you should be able to find all of your locked photos. In this way, you can easily lock photos on any Android phone. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.